How you doing, guys? Today I'm going to be putting together Dr. Seuss's The Grinch Gingerbread House Kit. So I picked this up in the store. I'm going to put it together, see if I can get it to even come remotely close to what the packaging shows. Already know I'm sure mine's going to look like a slum house compared to this thing. So let's see. It comes with the walls, the icing, some candies, and the Grinch. So let's go ahead and open up this box and see what we got inside here. It was about $16 for this gingerbread kit. Oh, and it even says on here, beware, may contain broken candy canes. Two broken candy canes. I got one that isn't broken. Ooh, smell that gingerbread. So I got my gingerbread pieces here, my pieces of the wall. Nothing looks broken there, so those look good. Got some gumdrops. Some little, these are like what, chocolate covered BB type things. We got the Grinch. Looks like he is made out of jelly, or gummy. He's a gummy Grinch. And then we got our frosting here. Got some characters on the back here. I don't know their names. I haven't watched the Grinch in a long time. I'm sure you know all the guys' names. Let me know in the comments below if you know what these guys' names are. So you can cut these guys out, add them to your scene if you want. Oh. If you look at the packaging, like it said, may contain broken candy canes. If you look at the candy canes on here, they have broken candy canes on here. This is just half of one. This one's broken in half. That one's broken in half. So they even show you right on the packaging, broken candy canes. So why not? If they're gonna do it on the packaging, we'll put some broken candy canes on here too. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this set up, throw the camera on time lapse, and put this thing together for you. And we'll come back here at the end and see how it looks, see how bad I did it on this. Alright, so I got the gingerbread house finished here. There's the front side. Look at the side. The back. And then the other side. Try not to drop it here. So as you saw, I did have some help with my daughter did help do a lot of it, especially a lot of this on the roof here. Doesn't look quite like what the box does. So here's the house on the box. Our house. Box's house. Nothing even close. A few tips I would give you if you're gonna do a gingerbread house is do the side pieces first as they're laying flat. It'd be a lot easier to pipe on your frosting than trying to do it when it's all put together. And I'm sure that's exactly what they did. They probably piped most of this when the pieces were apart and then put them together and then did the edge work and stuff like that. All the windows and doors and everything was probably already done before you put it together. It'd make it a lot easier. And as you saw, you might have seen us we had different colors in here that didn't come with the kit. The kit just comes with the yellow and the candies and stuff. I mean, not the yellow, the white frosting. And squeezing out of the bag is going to be hard to make detail stuff on there. So I used some icing, like cake icing that's in little squeeze tubes. And that allows you to get different colors in here and easier to pipe it on that way. But all in all, I'd say not too bad. I think it came out better than I thought it was going to. But like I said, do a lot of your work before you put the house together. make it a lot easier. You know, I wish I didn't have so much brown up here. It's too hard to make it look snowy. It would have been easier if I had it flat and then did it. So next time I do one, I'll do most of the work before I put the house together. So there you go. That's the Grinch Gingerbread house. And I'll see you guys next time.